Okay, everyone, I think we're going to have a nice little quiz tomorrow. So if you're watching this video, you get a heads up. What I want to do is handle a special case that we talked about in our lesson today on linear quadratic systems. Let's get started. So, take this example problem here. If you agree with me, the first thing we're going to do is take that and plug it in for the other y, right? We call that substitution method. So that means we have x squared plus 5x plus 4 equal to x minus 8. Now what? We have to solve and make it equal 0. So we're going to minus x both sides. We're also going to add 8 to both sides. Let's see what we got. We have x squared. 5x minus 1x is 4x. 4 and 8 is 12, equal to 0, right? So we have it equal to 0. Now we're going to try to factor this. Uh-oh. You could try to factor this, but guys, this is a special case where we cannot factor. Not every quadratic can you factor, guys. So what happens when we cannot factor? We use the quadratic formula. So here we go. Hopefully you agree right there. A is 1. B is 5. Oops, I'm doing the wrong one. B is 4. A is 1. C is 12. Sorry, I was almost looking at the wrong equation there, wasn't I? Again, A is 1, B is 4, C is 12, right? This is the one we're solving for 0. Okay, so here's a quadratic formula. We're going to do the negative of the B. The B again is 4, plus or minus square root, B squared, minus 4 times A times C, all over 2 times A. Again, I'm just double checking here. A is 1, we got that. B is positive 4, we plugged that in correctly. C is 12. Now let's see what happens here. I know negative of 4, of course, is negative 4. I know 2 times 1 is 2. Plus or minus square root. If you do this in here correctly, guys, you will get 16 minus 48, and that's negative 36. Guys, can we do the square root? Look right here in red. Can we do the square root of negative 36? No. So we have that special case where we have no real solutions. Remember, square root of negative is an I number, an imaginary number. We have no real solutions, right? So let's go to Desmos and see if it makes sense. If we look at our graph, what do you notice is wrong with this picture? We have the quadratic over there to the left. We have the line to the right. They never cross each other. They never intersect, as we say, each other. If they never intersect, guys, there are no real solutions, right? So pause the video here if you need to. Okay, guys, so in conclusion, when the graphs don't intersect, we have no real solutions. That's why, right here again, when we do the quadratic formula, we got an imaginary number because it didn't work out to be a real number. What else did we hopefully learn in this video is that sometimes when we solve, we cannot factor it. And then what do? We do the quadratic formula. Now, as I showed you in class, guys, most of the time it's going to work still. But here's a special case where we have no real solution. Again, pause the video if you need to. So guys, I'll see you in class tomorrow. Good luck on the quiz.